The iPhone 18 Pro Max could bring Apple's biggest camera upgrade in years, and it might completely change the way every photo is captured. And if the leaks are true, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could take a huge step toward becoming real professional cameras. For years, every iPhone camera has worked with one major limitation. No matter where you were taking photos, the camera always used the same fixed lens opening. Bright sunlight, dark room, outdoor night shots. It never physically changed. Apple depended on software to fix everything afterward. That could finally change with the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. The biggest camera upgrade rumored this year is a variable aperture on the main camera. Instead of one fixed opening, the lens will be able to adjust itself depending on the scene. Small mechanical blades inside the camera will open and close automatically. In bright daylight, the lens can become smaller to control light and improve detail. In darker places, it can open wider to capture more light naturally. Instead of relying almost entirely on software, the camera will finally make real hardware adjustments before taking the shot. And that's only the beginning. One of the biggest benefits is portrait photography. Right now, iPhones create blurry backgrounds mostly through software. It usually looks impressive, but it still struggles around hair, glasses, ears, and other small details. Sometimes the edges simply don't look natural. A variable aperture changes that. With a wider lens opening, the camera can create real background blur instead of trying to fake it. Portrait photos could look cleaner, smoother, and much more natural. The subject stands out better while the background fades away, just like on professional cameras. But the camera can also do the opposite. When the aperture becomes smaller, more of the image stays in focus. That's perfect for landscapes, city views, group photos, and even close-up macro shots. Instead of choosing between blur and sharpness using software, the camera can physically adjust itself for better results. It may sound like a small change, but it could completely change how every photo looks. The best part is consistency. Whether you're taking pictures during the day, indoors, or late at night, the camera should react much faster to changing light. Photos become more balanced without depending so heavily on software tricks. Apple has always focused on making photography simple. Open the camera, press one button, and capture the moment. This upgrade pushes that idea even further. Other smartphone companies experimented with variable aperture years ago, but Apple usually waits until it believes the feature is ready for millions of users. If these rumors are accurate, this could become one of the most noticeable camera improvements in years. Moving beyond the camera, the overall design isn't expected to change much. Apple will likely keep the same flat design with an aluminum frame. The company seems more interested in improving what's inside instead of completely redesigning the outside. Several new colors are also rumored, including light blue, dark cherry, dark gray, and silver. The fresh colors should make the new model stand out without changing the overall look. On the front, the dynamic island may finally become smaller. That means a little more screen space and a cleaner display without changing the overall design language. Inside, Apple is expected to introduce the new A20 Pro chip. Built on TSMC's advanced 2nm processor, the new processor is rumored to deliver around 15% better performance while using nearly 30% less power than the previous generation. That means faster speed, smoother gaming, better multitasking, and improved battery life. Apple is also expected to improve memory integration, allowing the processor, graphics, and AI engine to communicate more efficiently. Apps should launch faster, heavy editing should feel smoother, and future Apple Intelligence features could respond much quicker. Connectivity is getting attention too. The new Apple-designed C2 modem is expected to power faster and more stable 5G performance. Even more interesting, reports suggest expanded satellite connectivity, giving users better coverage in remote locations where normal cellular networks struggle. Battery life could improve as well. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro may carry a battery around 4,288 mAh, while the iPhone 18 Pro Max could jump to roughly 5,567 mAh. The phones may become slightly thicker, but many users would gladly accept that if it means longer battery life throughout the day. Of course, there is one rumor many buyers probably won't like: the price. With increasing manufacturing costs, more expensive memory, and higher component prices, Apple is reportedly preparing another price increase for the Pro models. That could make upgrading a much tougher decision for many users. So the real question is simple: will a better camera, faster chip, stronger battery, and smarter hardware be enough? Or will buyers start paying more attention to Apple's newer foldable devices arriving around the same time? We'll have to wait and see. Based on current leaks, Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max in September 2026, with sales beginning later that month. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to start at around $1,099, while the iPhone 18 Pro Max could begin at approximately $1,299, although pricing may change before launch. That's everything we know so far about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Thanks for watching.